Hi guys, welcome to Unirac. In this session, we'll learn how to configure RMAN backup optimization. What is optimization in RMAN? Let's see. It's a feature to minimize your backup size. It helps us to minimize your backup size. The backup space can be minimized. It skips the file which are being backed up to the same device. So the files which are being already backed up can be skipped. Either it is data file, either it is arclog file. With that, it can reduce the unwanted space usage as well. So the files which are already backed up, if it doesn't change the database ID with that for those data files and those arclog files with the same database ID, and there's no change in your reset log SCN, then there's no use of having the same backup. So we can skip those files by enabling this optimization on in RMAN. We'll see how to enable this RMAN backup optimization. For that, we need to enable RMAN backup optimization. The default will be off in your RMAN. So let's see how to enable your optimization on. Using RMAN, connecting to your RMAN, we can configure your backup optimization on with the command configure backup optimization on. If we want to set to off, you can use the configure backup optimization off the command in your RMAN prompt. And how to override the backup optimization. Even the backup optimization was on, how do you want to override? We can make use a command backup database force. So even the optimization is on, backup database force or backup arclog all force, it will force to have a backup even the backup is being taken. The backup is being backed up. The files which are being backed up with even optimization on will be backed up forcibly using the force option while backup database as well as arclogs. Either arclogs, either database, we can have a backup to override your optimization configuration in your RMAN using force. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll go for lab session. So let's go to the lab part. We'll check your optimization, backup optimization configuration in our RMAN. We'll enable optimization on for backup. We'll see what happens while backup of your arclogs as well data files. We'll have a session on this. Let's check what the backup optimization status, what will be the default value, and how to set it on, how to configure on. Show backup optimization. Show backup optimization will show you the default, the value or the current value. The current value was set for RMAN configuration. So the current configuration is set to off for optimization. Let's enable on. You can see now it's enabled from optimization off to optimization on, and the parameters are successfully stored. Now we can have a backup of your arclogs and let's see what happens will have it twice your arclog backup and verify whether it's being backed up or is being going to be skipped. As per the concept, the optimization should be, if it is enabled, the optimization, the backup must be skipped, the files must be skipped which are already being backed up. So let's have a backup arclog all. It's allocated to the channel, and you can see one of the error. Okay, we have missed an arclog file 389. Let's have a cross check using cross check arclog all. This will validate and we can continue the backup, skipping that file. It's been validated whether succeeded or failed. Those files are missing, it's failed. Error creating control file backup file. So let's check. Put your OR backup and your prod location. Let's see whether you have rman. If not, create an rman folder, and under rman folder ensure that we have, as per our concept, create your stream19, stream2 folders. So let's have a backup. Your arclogs, backup arclog all. You started using your control file and backup started with channel 1. Showing sequence numbers for the thread 1 instance 1 being input as an arclog being taken as an input and getting backed up that particular sequence number. So once we had a backup, we'll insert the backup again and see whether will it back up again those files which are there existing physically, or will it skip. The first time backup was completed, and let's have a second time. We'll repeat the same backup arclog all. So repeating the same backup, you can see it was skipping your arclogs which have been already backed up. You can see the files are skipping those arclogs of thread 1 from the sequence 396 to 507 already been backed up. This says that optimization works here. The optimization works where we configure switching optimization off to on, the default off, and switch to on. The files which have been backed up from 396 to 507 been backed up are skipped with the next backup. With this, will reduce your size in the backup space. There's no use having already been backed up in the same device. So let's enable the optimization on and make sure space is being not wasted. So in case in your company, in your environment, if you are a new DBA, you are joined as a new DBA and there is no KT, of course, might be there no KT whether each server how it being configured, might be configured, may not be configured, and there is no transition whether being configured from the existing team. As you are the DBA, you need to think about this and verify whether existing backup was enabled or not with the optimization on. If not, cross check with the team the reason behind and suggest yourself where the team can accept your suggestion to go forward with optimization on. Explain so that what the reason behind enabling optimization. In terms of space consumption, having same backup files. So definitely organization will accept, the team will accept, and you'll have a healthy environment. You'll maintain a healthy environment in terms of backup. Okay guys, we'll close this session, lab session. If you have any questions, please raise a comment. We'll get back to you on that. We'll help you out and ensure that your environment is being configured with your optimization on. Thank you all.